Ever pondered over the secret behind the surge of digital advancements and technological breakthroughs? Today, we'll unravel the mystery together, and it all starts with a simple word: Python. Python, not the snake, but a high-level interpreted programming language, has infiltrated every sector of technology, from data science to web development, from machine learning to artificial intelligence. Why has Python become the go-to for many developers and tech enthusiasts? Well, Python is simple and easy to learn, and it's the perfect place to start our coding journey. Imagine a language that is as easy to learn as your native tongue. Python is just that. Its syntax is clear, intuitive, and almost like reading English, which makes it an excellent choice for beginners. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Python is powerful, versatile, and used by some of the biggest tech giants in the world, including Google, Netflix, and NASA. Now, understanding Python's syntax is akin to learning the grammar of a new language. It's the set of rules that dictate how programs written in Python should look. For instance, in Python, indentation isn't just about aesthetics, it's a requirement. It's Python's way of grouping statements. While some might find this off-putting, it actually leads to cleaner, more readable code. Next, we'll explore Python's data types and variables. In Python, everything is an object, and every object has a type. Some of the fundamental types include integers, floats, and strings. Variables, on the other hand, are nothing but reserved memory locations to store values. This means that when you create a variable, you reserve some space in memory. Additionally, Python is an object-oriented programming language. This means it uses classes, which are like blueprints for creating objects. Objects can contain data, known as attributes, and code, known as methods. This approach makes it easier to manage and manipulate complex applications. Furthermore, Python has a wide range of libraries and frameworks. Libraries are pre-written pieces of code that programmers can use to save time and simplify their coding process. Frameworks, on the other hand, are collections of packages or modules, which allow developers to write applications without having to handle such low-level details as protocol, thread management, and so on. In summary, Python is a powerful, versatile, and easy-to-learn language with a clear and intuitive syntax. It's object-oriented, meaning it uses classes to create objects. Python has a wide range of data types and variables, and it also boasts a plethora of libraries and frameworks, making it a robust tool for any developer, regardless of their level of expertise. So as we embark on this journey of unraveling the enigma of Python, remember, every great coder started at the beginning. With patience, practice, and persistence, you'll soon find yourself coding like a pro, using Python to create, innovate, and revolutionize. Stay tuned for more in-depth discussions and tutorials on Python, and happy coding.